Taurus, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. You can also watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Taurus. And please watch until the end of the video to support my channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for this month of June. Taurus. For Taurus, please. Okay. So this is you, Taurus. You are very abundant. You feel that you are capable of everything, capable of doing everything or anything abundant. Okay. You are very creative right now. Marami kayong naiisip. Siguro negosyo, okay, mga paraan para paano kumita. Okay. Maraming umaasa sa inyo, Taurus. You are very nurturing and caring for your family. Okay. You are also thinking of traveling. Marriage is important to you and commitment. Okay. For some of you, may mga pinagdadaanan about commitment or relationship, about sa marriage ninyo. And kailangan nyo ng lakas ng loob. Okay? For some of you, nagtitiis pero na-overcome yung mga challenges, mga problema. Marami kayong pinagdaanan and na-overcome ninyo. Taurus, okay? For some of you, it's the other way around, okay? You might be dealing with a fire sign, a Leo to be specific. Okay? And a water sign at the same time. Scorpio. Cancer is also here. Okay. You're thinking about traveling with your family. May mga changes nangyayari sa relasyon ninyo or sa situation. Okay? In your career, marami kayong na-achieve. You are very ambitious. Successful kayo. Okay? Maraming challenges, but you're able to overcome it. May paparating na abundance or prosperity sa inyo. Meron kayong inaantay na kasaganahan or pagbabago sa life ninyo, Taurus. You are thinking about that. You are doing a lot of planning, okay? May mga documents kayo na kailangang ayusin. Okay. For some of you, may mga inaayos, nag-a-apply for visa. Nag-a-apply it para sa ibang bansa. Magta-travel. Okay. Think carefully kung ano yung gusto ninyo bago kayo umaksyon. Use your intuition. If you are planning of changing jobs or changing address or location, changing company, okay? Consider it carefully, okay? Pag-isipan ng mabuti. Pakiramdaman, use your intuition. Kung may mga plans kayo, don't share it yet to other people. Keep it to yourself. May mga plans kayo na hindi pa nasasabi, okay? May mga salary increase, okay? Incentives, okay? Awards or gifts kayong natatanggap and you're not telling that, okay? May mga naisip kayong bagong idea, bagong pag-aaralan, makakadagdag sa inyong pinagkakitaan, okay? Additional income, Taurus. Okay? For some of you, you are dealing with a child, okay? Matalinong bata, nagbibigay ng saya sa inyo, okay? Making things balance in your relationship, in your marriage life. Meron kayong naiisip na mga pagkakakitaan, ways of earning income, okay? Aside from your main job. Siguro mga racket, okay? Or maybe you're thinking of having a new business, okay? Your own. You're thinking about security and stability ng inyong pamilya, pinagpaplanuhan. For some of you, nag-iisip na bumili ng property. Okay? You are looking forward to it. Marami kayong plans. Taurus. Okay? You are working very hard. For some of you, yes, may mga pinag-aaralan kayong negosyo. Okay? Very dedicated kayo doon sa ginagawa ninyo. You are developing your skills, minamaster ninyo. Okay? You are taking care of yourself. Okay? Very self-reliant, self-sufficient, Taurus. Okay? You are nurturing yourself. Okay? Nagpapaganda. Nag-invest kayo ngayon para sa sarili ninyo, Taurus. Okay? Whatever yung mga na-achieve na ninyo, like mga properties, marami na kayong savings, you are enjoying your lifestyle, okay? Enjoy yourself, enjoy your luxurious lifestyle, okay? You are very independent, financially independent, Taurus. Basically, you are just enjoying yourself. Kung ano man yung mga na-achieve ninyo, okay, you are very proud of what you have become, Taurus. Yeah. For some of you, you are going towards or humihingi kayo ng advice sa may mga psychic abilities, okay? Mga tarot reader, okay? Kumukuha kayo ng mga information, okay? Mga nagpapahula. Yes, kumukuha ka ng information if someone is being honest to you, okay? Or if someone is giving attention to another person, Taurus. Okay? Some of you merong psychic powers or psychic abilities, okay? Gumagana ang inyong intuition, malakas ang inyong intuition or pakiramdam. So everything is okay, Taurus, most especially money-wise or financially you're doing good. Okay, whatever plans you have, just keep it to yourself. Okay. Good job. Nice reading, Taurus. Let us see kung ano pa yung mga messages sa inyo. Merong travel or biyahe na paparating. You are looking forward to it. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages para sa inyo. For some of you, puro work lang, okay? Hindi na nabibigyan ng pansin or naalagaan yung sarili, okay? Take care of yourself, Taurus. Punta kayo ng spa, okay? Salon. Some of you, kailangan yan. And that's not a bad thing, Taurus. Okay? Kailangan mo din yan. You deserve it because you've been working very hard. Okay? More message for Taurus, please. February. Okay? Siguro yung month ng February is memorable sa inyo. Okay? May mga importante na nangyari in the month of February. May mga breakthroughs, okay? Or events, important event na nangyari sa life ninyo. Clouds, temporary problems, okay? Yung mga problema na susolusyonan. Okay? Kung may iniisip or may pinagdadaanan kayo, it is just temporary, Taurus. You will be able to overcome it because you are a strong person, okay? Meron kayong kakayahan na masolusyonan ang mga problema ninyo. January, okay, January. Month of January is also important to you. Weeping Willow, family sorrow, okay? Teapot, deep friendship with someone of the same sex. Okay. Okay. Coins, money will be coming to you. Okay. So money for Taurus. Okay. So yun yung mga messages. Tingnan natin kung ano pa. For Taurus, please. May paparating sa inyo na kaperahan, Taurus. Treat yourself, your family. Okay? Some of you is dealing with someone of the same sex. A special relationship. For Taurus, please. Message for Taurus. Okay. Number 77. Okay, for some of you, siguro nakakita kayo palagi or madalas ng 77. Ito ay para sa inyo. It is time to move on from the old patterns, habits, and fears. Now is the time to walk in the direction of your biggest desires and ambitions. Now is the time to be bold and brave. Okay? So, this is the message for you, Taurus. Be confident, okay? And trust the universe, trust the process. A long way to go, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye.